I finally bought the Bamblu Lab P1S. It's time to unbox it and create our first print. Here it is. It comes neatly packaged. The printer is secured nicely with this styropor. Grab by the handles and just lift the printer up, removing the plastic foil of the printer. This is the instruction manual. I suggest that you read them all. Let's get to the good things. These are the parts and ABS material that you need for your first print. Out of the box you get the PLA Green Basic. Remove this styropor. Here's a piano box that I received as a gift. Here I am removing the styrofoam out of the pull box. And here I am removing the card box from the print head. It has two zip ties. Just carefully remove the card box. Here's what you get in the box. Here is the green PLA Basic. This is the LCD screen. A filament mount. An extra PTA tube and a power adapter. You also get some spare parts. You get an extra nozzle, a tubing nozzle kit, adhesive and so on. It's time to add a spool holder. Unscrew the screw that is attached to the printer. Now find the back with a spool holder. There's a spool holder and two screws. Screw them into the printer. This is it. Real simple. This is a really important step. There are three screws that are holding the print bed for the shipping. Unscrew all three of them. Now let's add the LCD to the printer. Unpackage the LCD. Plug the cable into the LCD. If you have big hands like me, you may have a problem. When you plug the cable into the LCD, push the LCD in and to your left. Remove the sticker from the right side of the machine. It's time to plug in the printer for the first time. This is the initial screen. This is the QR code that you scan with your mobile to access it through the app. So in the Bamblu Lab app, I just tap a few times on the Z-axis to go up. This is because you need to remove the styrofoam from underneath the bat. Now that the bat is lifted, I can easily remove the two foams of styrofoam. It is now safe to run a self-test routine. The printer is self-calibrating. Don't worry, it makes a lot of noise. This is normal. The test will take up to 10 minutes to complete. Here's a prompt to update your firmware on your printer. Go ahead and update it. Update takes around 5 minutes. Now for the fun part. It's time to make our first 3D print. Mount the spool and put the filament through the plastic tube. Now let's feed the filament into the printer. Go to feeding and press load. The printer is now heating the print head to 250 degrees. Push the filament a little, so just that you feel that the printer is grabbing the filament. You can press retry a few more times so that you're certain that your filament is extruded. Now this is what I've been waiting for, my first 3D print. As everyone, I selected the 3D Banshee. My P1S Bamblu printer is now heating up and self-testing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It's me, the self-learning tech guy. This is a speeded video, but nonetheless, this printer is pretty fast. I will let you to enjoy this video till the end. I'm very happy that I bought this printer. This 3D Benchy took 18 minutes to complete. And it turned out great.